life of a city boy. Oh yeah, que dama. Oh yeah, que jello. Oh yeah, que no. Oh yeah, que oh yeah, que oh yeah, que mama sheba.
In this video, we'll be doing the 2-point gait pattern. So the 2-point gait pattern, you're going to do it with 2 devices or 2 crutches. And then you want to make sure that the crutch is suited to your height. So the way you're going to do this is make sure that this part is lined up with your wrist. And then the axillary part could fit 3 fingers over there. So yeah, this suits me pretty well. So now the way you're going to do this. So this gait pattern is kind of similar to normal walking. It's going to be full weight bearing. And the way that is different than the 4-point gait pattern is that it's more like regular walking. So it's going to be your right crutch and your opposite limb are going to touch the ground at the same time. So you're going to go all right. So some people kind of say, like my professor kind of says, the toy soldier. So we're going to go, see how it's kind of like a regular gait pattern, reciprocal, and it's full weight bearing.
That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, que dama. Oh yeah, que jello. Oh yeah, que no. Oh yeah, que